Hi friend, welcome back. This video is about iron silicon transformer. For my electronics project, some circuit need a lot of amps, and these small transformers can't deal with it. So it's time to be creative and use what you have. I disassembled this core for copper wire, then decided to build my own transformer from it, to work on mains voltage, and output various voltages from 1.5 volt 1 amp, 3 volt 1 amp, 11.5 volt, 15 amp, 22 volt, 4 amps, and 120 volt 1 amp. Such kind of a transformer will be very useful for my electronics project. If you decided to build such kind of a transformer, be careful from mains voltage. I will give more details about that later. Silicon steel is a soft magnetic material, and to avoid vortex that generates in the silicon steel core, it's made out of thin layers. Let's start building. To calculate the turn in the secondary and the primary, first measure both sides of the core and then multiply them, and use this formula. Now according to the formula, I should do all these turns. As you saw earlier, there is gaps in the core, so I fill these gaps with silicon steel sheets. Use 3 to 4 layers of tape to isolate the winding from the core. I decided to make the primary in a center tap mode, so it would be 2 coils, each coil 650 turn. For AC, the winding doesn't need to be in order, but just in case if I decided to reverse the transformer for high voltage. Winding such transformer is hard and time consuming, so I'll give some accept, and if you have any question, ask it. Layer 1, left to right. Layer 2, right to left. To make a center tap, connect the end of the A coil to the beginning of the B coil. You can have half the input voltage from this point. Now it's time to wind the secondary, as usual isolate it from the core. Then start winding. And now I finished winding the 11.5 volt. As you can see, it's made of 6 layers, which you can join the layers in series to multiply the voltage. And now I finished winding the transformer secondary. As you can see on this side of the transformer, the windings are connected in series to multiply the voltage. It's time to test the transformer. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.